Дякую, що завітали. Мене звати Тамара, та ви дивитесь Language Lessons with Tamara. Hi there. Are you our new neighbor? New neighbor. New новий neighbor. Що означає новий neighbor? Що ж це означає? Do you know how I can get to a parking space? Що означає parking space? Якщо ви вважаєте, що вам потрібно освіжити чи вивчити декілька слів, котрі стосуються квартирних будівель, то це відео є саме для вас. Продовжуйте дивитись, та ви вивчите декілька нових фраз та декілька нових слів. Looking for an apartment. I'm looking for an apartment on the east side of the city. My friend is looking for an apartment nearby. Let me know if you know anybody who is looking for an apartment. Apartment ads, classified ads. I just saw a new apartment ad for this great place. Was this apartment ad published recently? Do you know where I can place an apartment ad? Apartment listing. This apartment listing says it was built recently. The listed price in the apartment listing was too high. I don't trust the photos in this apartment listing. Vacancy sign. I saw a vacancy sign on the house next to us. Do you think they're putting up a vacancy sign? The vacancy sign on that house has been up for some time. Signing a lease. When are you signing your lease? For how long have you signed the lease? I have signed a lease some time ago. Tenant. The tenant received 2 months' notice. Are you an owner or a tenant? Rents are individually negotiated between landlord and tenant. Landlord. I owe the landlord $100. The landlord has put the rent up again. The landlord gave notice of termination of tenancy. Lease. The lease runs out next year. They got a lease with 5 years to run. Our present lease on the flat expires next month. Security deposit. Such security deposits are not relevant to room hire. And how much security deposit do you require? Is the security deposit refundable? Moving in. When are you moving in? He bought a big TV soon after moving in. I could hear someone moving in the room above. Moving truck, moving when? Do you think we need to rent a moving truck? Have you noticed a moving truck going by? You have a lot of stuff, so we should rent a moving truck to move everything. Neighbor. My new neighbor moved in last week, and already we're on speaking terms. I left my cat in trust with a neighbor while I went on holiday. A neighbor volunteered to keep an eye on my kids. Building manager. They might hire a building manager to coordinate. If you have issues with the building, just call a building manager. The announcement came from the building manager about the new parking rules. Doorman. The doorman allowed the people in one by one. The doorman tipped his head as we entered. I showed the doorman my card as he gave a friendly nod. Key. Insert the key into the lock. The key fell to the ground with a jingle. I saw you put the key in your pocket. First floor. The library takes up the whole of the first floor. He rode the elevator down to the first floor. The passengers are carried by escalator to the first floor. Second floor. The spare bedroom is on the second floor. Our office is on the second floor. On the second floor, you are on a level with the treetops. Third floor. They are renting a furnished flat on the third floor. There are some vacant offices on the third floor. Room number 145 is on the third floor of the hotel. Fourth floor. They took the elevator to the fourth floor. Parking is on the fourth floor above the shopping mall. The fourth floor is a clubhouse, which includes a fitness center and one swimming pool. Roof. They finally found the cat up on the roof. The strong wind ripped off bits of the roof. The unexpected rainstorm caused the collapse of the roof. Fire escape. Please exit by the fire escape. The thieves got away down the fire escape. There is no way out other than the fire escape. Все йде добре? Добре. І я сподіваюся, що ви це вимовляєте вголосно, для того, щоб ваші власні вуха та м'язи вашого рота мали змогу звикнути до англійської. Дякую. Parking garage. They turned it into a parking garage. A 6-level parking garage is ready to handle 15,000 cars. Underneath the building, a 2-level parking garage provides 165 parking spaces. Balcony. The balcony just out over the garden. We have breakfast on the balcony in the summer. The whole building has no balcony. Courtyard. Let's have a walk in the courtyard. The old man was playing in the courtyard with his grandsons. The light was pouring into the courtyard. Parking lot. A block up the street I found a parking lot. The path leads to the parking lot. The car pulled up in the parking lot outside the station. Parking space. I couldn't find a parking space near the shops. Let's hope we can find a parking space. I managed to find a parking space. Swimming pool. Pool. The swimming pool is drained and cleaned every winter. He is immersed in the swimming pool. Can we all go to the swimming pool this afternoon? Щиро дякую за вашу увагу. Якщо це відео стало для вас у нагоді, і якщо ви думаєте, що ви використаєте його у повсякденному житті, коли будете спілкуватися англійською, не забувайте дати YouTube зрозуміти, що ви вдячні, тобто натиснути на thumbs up, а також поділитися цим відео з усіма тими людьми, котрі зараз вивчають англійську. Щиро дякую, я побачу вас наступного разу. See you next time. Bye-bye!